Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating.
Yo, relax. Tin mackerel. Yes, mackerel. Yes, fish. But it's in the tin. You already know what time it is already. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And
Can't use this pot.
I want to say shout out to all the fathers them.
Oh,
Happy
yes.
Father's Day to all the fathers them, you know? Our day don't mean nothing, you know?
Or belated Father Day.
Our belated
like
Father Day,
later.
yeah, but it's alright. Still got to give them a shout out, you know? My first age door juice and I'm gonna start munching on my food cause right now.
Ooh.
Yo. You talking about no pepper in here. Pepper in that food, man.
There's no pepper. So we do have a channel.
I try now.
Chat too much, man. We do have a video on how we prepared tin mackerel. This is something that's eaten in Jamaica, like I said, even to this day. It's eaten with bread, it's eaten with rice, it's eaten with food.
Dumpling.
AKA dumpling and banana.
It's good. Look, I'm not giving it the pepper, but look, this is the pepper stem.
Oh!
I told you. See? That's the
No,
pepper stem.
sir. When you're pepper tom. I like
Family.
What's that?
Yep. When our kitchen is fully done, me and First Aid, they're gonna do a cooking live for y'all good people. Let me know what y'all want, what Jamaican dish y'all want. But listen, don't make it too long, you know, because I can't make that live too long. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna cook a nice dish in the kitchen. So let me know what you want me and First Aid to make. Live. And then we're gonna eat it. Oh, we have to eat. I mean, I said cooking and don't eat it. But yeah, let us know what y'all want to see.
Cook it and eat it. It's gonna be, yeah,
Right?
about an hour, hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. Because, but we can't make nothing like oxtail, stewed peas, curry goat.
Yeah.
We can make curry chicken.
We can make curry chicken. We can make brown stew fish. We can make. What? No, we're not telling them. Tell us what you want to make.
Oh yeah, that's true. Forgot.
Well, at the end of the day, if they tell us, we gotta make it.
Yeah.
If y'all willing to watch that 2 hours, let me know.
Actually, take 3 hours, you know.
Well, whatever we're gonna be in 3 hours. It's up to y'all, fam. So comment down what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm gonna give y'all 2 big pieces of meat.
Even with the pepper?
Yeah, some of them love pepper. Look, here.
A pepper man.
Here we go.
I'm not gonna lie.
There. Open up. Good.
Well,
Yeah.
you carry a napkin, honey?
Yeah.
It's a stingy with a napkin, man.
Okay, yeah, nothing already.
This
is good, yo.
It's not as hot anymore.
It's still hot. this one I'm drinking. Cranberry. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like cranberry juice? I love cranberry juice. I love cranberry, you know? You know what kind of juice this is already. I'm not gonna say, tell me what kind of juice this is already. Good.
I'm so used to
This is good. It's like
Thank you, honey.
It's like I could say.
Gayle.
No, it's like you use what you call it, but we don't have no more of that.
Coconut oil.
Yeah. You use coconut oil? Oh.
I'm not gonna lie. Richie makes this better than me.
No, this tastes good. I knew you would say that.
He does.
You made it just right.
It tastes good. But Richie's one, I don't know what he be doing, and I do the same exact thing he does.
This tastes good. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't taste more pepper, honey. Yeah, lie no.
Pepper's still nice, man. Yes.
The good thing is that it's not hot off the fire.
That's what I'm saying.
It'd been worse.
Family, usually when we do this, we put like 7 pepper in it.
I only put 1.
We like it hot. But those pepper right now, those pepper ain't dealing like the season for pepper is not getting hot no more.
That's why when I go to the store, if I see pepper and it looks good, like Scotch bonnet pepper and it looks good,
Yeah.
like you can tell they're spicy or hot, I get a whole big bag of it. I freeze it. There's pepper, big bags of pepper in the freezer in the house, the freezer in the garage. There's pepper everywhere.
Yeah, like we're going a pepper field or something.
I can't not have pepper in my food.
Got too much pepper in that fridge, y'all.
I'm not gonna get any more.
Only more. Oh! Thank you. Don't forget. The link is in the description. I forget. It's there. So share if you care. You know what I'm saying? Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. You know? Spread that word. You know what I'm saying? Spread that word, family. The greedy couple got patties over here.
Patty, get your fresh patty.
Cause I could do that good patty mukbang. Fresh patty.
Shanice selling patty with her fat body.
Yep. That was the saying.
From my auntie.
What was you saying when we park up? What was you saying?
Our jingle is to be a jingle. It's a jingle.
Yeah. What was it?
Somebody forget?
Patties, veggie.
Get your patties. Spicy. No. Curry chicken, jerk chicken, spicy.
Yeah. And mild.
Something like that. Yo, we forget. But we had a jingle when we used to park up. This is before the pandemic. We're trying to get in the swing of things now. But we park up and we'll go to different areas. They would know that we're coming. That was the good old days. We're gonna get back there though.
They want to see you. They didn't want to see. They said I'm the helper. They said first they hired a helper.
They did. I was like, Mr. Stop. But it is what it is, you know. A man is gonna try. Anybody's gonna try anything. Man or woman.
Remember when the guy slipping over in your hand?
If they like what they see. Remember the girl who at Wendy's told you should fine ass.
Yeah.
Some girl at Wendy's told my husband, you fine ass.
I like that girl. I tell my youth. The girl that blind my youth. Well, yeah. Family. I think we told those stories already.
Yeah, we told them already.
Yep. We told a lot of stories already. So if y'all know, I've been rocking with us for a minute.
Y'all know.
Y'all know. We gave a lot of stories.
So, just in case, the reason why it looks red is because it's in tomato sauce, okay? They do have some that is not in any sauce, and you can, make your own sauce, but we prefer it in tomato sauce, yeah.
That brings out his gravy already.
Okay, we love gravy.
Damn, I just my third cup of this thing.
I think
Cranberry juice drink good.
it's because I ate a piece of pepper, because I don't taste no pepper, honey. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't taste no more now.
Oh, okay.
First one I taste.
First bite, yeah. How the hell you eat a spoon?
What do you mean I'll eat a spoon?
I can't pick up my food.
You're probably not making I pick up mine.
I feel like I keep on. See? You're missing meat.
I didn't do taking a lot of meat. I thought I eat spoon was fine.
Honey, what you just...
Excuse me. Woo. Wow.
What you just said?
Long day, family, until I'm talking gibberish. Let me eat my food in peace.
I'm trying to, but you're talking crap. I don't know what the hell you're saying.
So what's new with y'all, family? What's new with y'all?
Ooh. This is a quick meal.
Yeah, very quick.
15 minutes or less. Wow. Remember we did that too?
What?
That series? 15 minutes or less. Cooking.
15 minutes or less. No, $5 or less.
No,
What?
yes. No, we did a 15 minute or less and I was cooking different stuff for 15 minutes.
Yeah, we did a lot.
That's something though?
We never did that.
I'm telling you.
It's $5 or less. We never did no 15 minutes.
It was a 15 minute paella.
Yeah, that's what you did. Not no 15 minutes or less.
Oh. Gosh.
Then you're gonna tell me so you.
What she doing? That was true. That was true. No, that was true.
A lot of shit coming like you got old timers, yo. A lot of shit say I don't remember that shit.
I said to my husband today, honey, do you remember this, and this? And he's like, no. I'm like, how can you not remember that? He's like, no, I don't remember that. And I'm trying to jog his memory.
That means you gotta do it again to let me remember.
Oh, I'll do it again, all right.
One thing I remember is that they already know.
Oh, please, whatever.
Family. But really, real talk. Keep rocking with us, man. You're doing real good, you know? Sometimes we be busy. A lot of stuff going on, you know? And if we can't get the video out, we can't. First, they didn't get out for the day in a minute because the house is a mess. So don't worry. She's gonna drop it like it's hot for y'all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know she didn't give you out in a day in a while, but the house is a mess, family.
Yep.
No cap. So that's why, you know? So we just gotta get everything situated back. It's almost done.
They're probably saying they lying.
So only if they know. So. Family know Family know we about our word. Family, you know our word is our bond, so you know we ain't lying. We ain't lying about that.
I'm telling you, the people I'm saying.
The
people I'm saying, they lying.
Family ain't gonna do it. That's what we gonna see. When the house is done, we gonna do a nice cooking video, cause we told them we will do a remodel in the kitchen. Nice cooking video.
All right. If I say, I say.
Yeah.
So they say you lying.
Family know we ain't lying. Family know we don't be capping. Family know we talk straight up. And we prove our stuff too. Damn, this is my 4th cup. How much cup I said already? 5th? Drink good money. I like this. They say cranberry juice is good for your urine. Family. First lady.
Excuse me.
It was you. I got something nice and beautiful for y'all today. Listen and listen carefully, okay? If y'all stepped away, come right back right now. Over there, up there. But yes, it's in the description. We told y'all it's there. Go get it. It's there. It's not going nowhere. Okay. All right. Ready, first lady? Family, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily, right? The secret of your success is found in your daily routine.
That is true.
I'm not gonna say it again. All right, I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna say Y'all didn't hear me? I'm gonna say it again for y'all beautiful people. I wasn't gonna say it again, but you know what? I heard y'all.
That one caught me.
Yes, they said say it again, Pastor Richie. And yeah, that one caught you too. I have to say it again because they said you better say it again. I'm listening to y'all now. What y'all say will be done. I'm saying it again now. So listen up now. I gotta say it again. You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. Right? Okay. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Pay attention. I'm telling y'all, pay attention. Y'all never know, but pay attention to that. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for everybody that ordered.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? We really appreciate us. You know we had to get back in the lab, as we said. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate your feedback. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Nothing tried, nothing done. So all these words of wisdom I be telling y'all, don't be afraid to try. Because if you're afraid to try, you will fail. And you can't fail if you try. Right? Word of wisdom. All that, it didn't come from nothing. So we're trying something. You know what I'm saying? We had a little obstacle, but now we get him back. Because we went back in the lab, the true first lady. Bop! So now, we appreciate your feedback. Thanks for rocking with us. I am Richie, aka Chatty Sometime, and aka First Lady, aka Shanice, the boss. They are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
Bye.